Hey guys, welcome back, 4th grade math kids, okay? We are doing page 243 today and 244, right? Mixed numbers. Anybody know what mixed numbers are? Well, think about it, mixed numbers, números mixtos. What do you think we're mixing? What are we mezclando? We're mezclando fractions with whole numbers. You know what whole numbers are, números enteros. You know what fractions are. So I bet you know exactly what números mixtos are too. Say that? Mixed numbers. Okay, so repeat this after me when I tell it to you. Mixed numbers, mix whole numbers with fractions. Okay, there you go. Mixed numbers, mix whole numbers with fractions. Okay, what do we mean by that? If you look, remember, have your book out, have your pencil out. If I help you with any, I'll let you know. Look at the top of the page right here. Mixed numbers. What are mixed numbers? It says right there, a number that combines a whole number and a fraction. Look at this right here, these fractions. If you see that a piece of pizza is cut into 2 pieces, right? Those are huge pieces. You just cut the pizza right in half. But you color the whole thing, you eat the whole thing, how much do you have? You have 1 pizza. It doesn't matter how many pieces were there before because you just ate them all, because we just colored them all, okay? So you have 1 pizza. Then you do the same thing over here. Okay, it's your birthday party. You had another pizza your mom gave you. You cut it into 2 pieces like you were gonna share it with somebody, and boom, you ate the whole pizza again. Okay, so you have another 1, right? Then this time you cut the pizza in half. You were gonna eat the whole thing, and then your sister stole it from you, okay? Then what happens? You only had 1 half, right? You only had 1 half. So now you have 1, 2 and a half, right? 1 and 1 is 2, and then another half is 2 and a half. So here you go. You just ate 2 and a half pizzas. Do you think that's saludable? No, I don't think so. Okay, but that number right there is a mixed number. You have your whole number is 2 and your fraction is half. 2 and a half is your mixed number. Now, question for you, what do you think is bigger? Do you think 2 is bigger or 2 and a half is bigger? Which number is más grande? 2 and a half, right? You're adding something to the 2. You're adding a fraction to it. Here's your 2, right? And then you add another half. That's 2 and a half, and that is a what? It's more than 2. Okay, so look at down here. Now you're sharing a piece of, let's say you're sharing a quequito. Okay, they're small. But you're gonna cut it at recreo. You're gonna cut them into 3 pieces. Okay, you're gonna cut it into 3 pieces. And you're gonna use all of it, right? You're gonna give 1 piece to your friend, 1 piece to your friend, 1 piece to your friend. So how much of the quequito did you give away? 1. You gave some more pieces to your friend. 1 piece, 1 piece, 1 piece. You have another 1 gone. 1 piece, 1 piece, 1 piece, you have another 1 gone, and then you have 2 pieces gone over here. That's 2 over what? Say it, 2 over what? 3, right? 2 over 3 because it's 2 out of 3 pieces of the quequito. So what is your mixed number? 1, 2, 3, and 2/3. 3 and 2/3. Okay, there is your mixed number. Tell me, 3 and 2/3, is that bigger than 3 or less than 3? Bigger than 3, exactly, because you're adding that 2/3. Very, very good. Okay, look, I'm gonna give you some numbers. Let me erase this part. I'm gonna give you some numbers. You tell me, are they whole numbers? No, you tell me, pardon. You tell me which ones are mixed numbers, okay? 7, mixed number? No. Just a número entero, right? It's not mixing anything. It's not mezclando or combinando anything. Okay, 1 half. Mixed number? No, it's not mezclando nada, right? Okay, what about 6 3/4? Mixed number? Boom, that's the one. It's mixing the whole 6 with the 3/4 fractions. Very, very good. Okay, now tell me this one. Greater than, less than, or equal? 6 and 6.5. Greater than, less than, or equal? Which one are you gonna do? Raise your hand if you can do this one. Can't see you, so you have to be honest. Tell me who got it right. Raise your hand if you're gonna do this one. Raise your hand if you're gonna do this one. 6.5 is bigger, you guys. Remember, 6.5 is bigger, so the boca of that greater than or less than sign opens up and eats the 6.5 because it's the bigger one, right? You're gonna eat the bigger one, right? So bigger boca, bigger side. So how do you read that? 6 is less than, there's a little side, 6 is less than 6.5 because 6.5 is bigger. Okay, review for you from the lessons that we've been doing. Put your finger on number 4. Put your finger on number 4. Look what it says. List the numbers you could use to reduce each fraction. List the numbers you could use to reduce this fraction, 8 and 20. Okay. Remember, what are our factors of 8? 1 times 8, 2 times 4, anything else? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Can we use 8? 8 divided by 8, possible? 20 divided by 8, possible? Boo, 20 divided by 8 is not possible, so we can't use 8. Okay, let's use 4. 8 divided by 4, possible? Yes. 20 divided by 4, possible? Yes. So here we go. 4 is a thing that we can use. So we 1 times 8, 2 times 4, now we have to try 2. 8 divided by 2, possible? Yes. 20 divided by 2, possible? Boo, yes. It is, okay? 20 divided by 2 is 10, so you also use 2. Okay guys, I'm gonna write this fraction down here. What are you gonna divide by now to get your new fraction? The biggest, don't forget, it's the biggest one. The best one is the biggest one. That's what you're gonna do for number 5. Okay, number 5 is to reduce the fraction. So let's divide by 4. We got 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And there is your reduced fraction. Woo!